Good morning, students. Today we'll start Unit 7, that is Genetics and Evolution. Three chapters are here in this unit. Chapter 5, that is Principle of Inheritance and Variation. Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. And Chapter 7, Evolution. But Evolution chapter is deleted for this year. So we will start Principle of Inheritance and Variation. In this chapter, we will discuss about the Mendel's law of inheritance, inheritance of one gene, inheritance of two genes, sex determination, mutation, and genetic disorders. Humans knew from as early as 8000 to 1000 BC that one of the causes of variation was hidden in sexual reproduction. They exploited the variations that were naturally present in the wild population of plants and animals to selectively breed and select for organism that possesses desirable character. So, genetics is the branch of biology which deals about the study of transmission of character and variation. Transmission of character, that is also known as inheritance, and variation is individual differences, and this passes from generation to generation. Mendelian genetics. It was during the mid 19th century that headway was made in the understanding of inheritance. Gregor Mendel conducted hybridization experiment on garden pea for 7 years, that is 1856 to 1863, and proposed the law of inheritance in living organism. All living organisms reproduce. It results in the formation of offspring of the same kind. The resulting offspring most often do not totally resemble the parents. During Mendel's investigation into inheritance pattern was for the first time that statistical analysis and mathematical logic were applied to problem in biology. His experiments had a large sampling size which gave greater credibility to the data that he collected. Also, the confirmation of his inference from experiments on successive generation of his test plants proved that his results pointed to general rules of inheritance rather than being unsubstantiated ideas. Mendel investigated character in the garden pea plant that were manifested as two opposite traits. Genetics is the branch of life science that deals with the study of heredity and variation. Heredity is the transmission of character from parents to their offsprings. Variation is the difference among the offspring and with their parents. Variation is of two types: hereditary variation. These are genetical and inheritable. And second is environmental variation. These are acquired and non-heritable. Gregor John Mendel is also known as father of genetics. He was born in the year 1822 and he died 1884. Austrian monk. He was from Austria, and as I have discussed earlier that he has done the hybridization experiment with the pea plant, and he published the result. There is a translation of characters in the Natural History of Society of Bern. He is regarded as the father of genetics. Mendel was born to the family of poor peasant in Moravia, Austria. He suspended his school education due to poverty in the family. In 1843, he joined a church as a monk, that is priest. In 1847, he became the head of the monastery of Brunn, Austria, now that Brno in Czechoslovakia. In 1851, he went to University of Vienna to study natural history and mathematics for 2 years. After his return, he worked as a teacher in natural history and mathematics between 1856 to 1865. During this period, he designed breeding experiments in the pea plants. He carefully analyzed the results, gave a mathematical interpretation. In 1865, he published the result translation of the character in the Natural History of Society of the Brunn. In 1900, the Mendel's work was rediscovered by 3 scientists independently: Hugo de Vries in Holland, Franz Correns in Germany, and Erich Tesmark in Austria. Mendel is regarded as father of classical genetics. See the picture of Mendel University in Brno. Mendel conducted such artificial pollination, cross-pollination experiment using several true breeding pea lines. A true breeding line is one that, having undergone continuous self-pollination, shows the stable trait inheritance and expression for several generations. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties as pair which were similar except for one character with contrasting traits. Some of the contrasting traits selected were smooth or wrinkled seeds, yellow or green seeds, inflated or constricted green or yellow or pods, and tall and dwarf plants, as shown in the figure. Inheritance of one character. Let us take the example of one such hybridization experiment carried out by Mendel, where he crossed tall and dwarf pea plant to study the inheritance of one gene. He collected the seeds produced as a result of these cross and grew them to generate plants of the first hybrid generation. This generation is also called F1 generation. Mendel observed that all the F1 progeny plants were tall, like one of its parents. None were dwarf. He made similar observation for the other pairs of traits. He found that the F1 always resemble either one of the parents and that the trait of the other parent was not seen in them. Mendel then self-pollinated the tall F1 plants. To his surprise, found that in the filial generation, means to F2 generation, some of the offspring were dwarf. The character that was not seen in the F1 generation was now expressed. The proportion of the plants that were dwarf were 1/4 of the F2 plants, while 3/4 of the F2 plants were tall. The tall and dwarf traits were identical to their parental type and did not show any blending. That is, all the offspring were either tall or dwarf. None were in between height. Let us see some terminology in genetics. Factor or gene, functional unit of heredity, responsible for the expression of character in the progeny. Locus, the position of the gene on the chromosome. Allele, the alternative form of gene for a contrasting character, present on identical locus of homologous chromosome. See the photograph of chromosome. The 14 chromosomes in a root cell of pea plant as seen with confocal scanning laser microscopy. Phenotype, the external appearance of an organism due to the influence of genes and environmental factors. Genotype, the genetic constitution of an individual responsible for the phenotype. Phenotypic ratio, the correct proportion of phenotype in population. Genotypic ratio, the correct proportion of genotype in population. Homozygous, the individual having identical genes in allelic pair of character. Heterozygous, the individual having unidentical genes in an allelic pair for character. Dominant gene, the gene that expresses its character in heterozygous condition. Recessive, the weaker gene that fails to express its character in heterozygous condition. Hybrid, the progeny obtained by crossing two parents that differ in character. Backcross, the cross between F1 hybrid and one of the parents. Test cross, the cross between hybrid and its homozygous recessive parent. It is used to identify the genotype of the hybrid. Why Mendel selected pea plant? Pure variety are available. Pea plants are easily to cultivate. Life cycle of plants are only few months, so that result can be got early. Contrasting traits are observed. Flowers are bisexual and normally self-pollinated. Flowers can be cross-pollinated only manually. Hybrids are fertile. See the 7 pair of contrasting characters selected by Mendel for his experiment. Mendelian law of heredity, law of paired character. Factors are responsible for transmission of characters. These are present in pairs. Law of dominance in hybrid dominant character suppresses the expression of the recessive character. Mendel's first law, law of segregation or law of purity of gamete. It states that when a pair of factors for a character brought together in a hybrid, they segregate during the formation of gametes. Inheritance of one gene. Inheritance of one gene can be explained by monohybrid cross. The cross between two parents differing in one pair of contrasting character is called monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross, see the parental generation, tall and dwarf plant. F1 generation, all the plants are tall. In F2 generation, the ratio is 3:1. In that, 3 plants means 75% plants are tall and 25% plants are dwarf. Phenotypic ratio, genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. Phenotype and genotype. Homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive. F1 self-pollination, all tall, heterozygous. Then in F2 generation, there is a self-pollination. Phenotypic ratio 3:1, genotypic ratio 1:2:1. Test cross. The cross between hybrid and its homozygous recessive parent is called test cross. It is used to identify the genotype of the hybrid. Hybrid tall, recessive tall. Phenotypic ratio 1:1, genotypic ratio 1:1. In test cross, both the ratio are same, 1:1. This is the exception of monohybrid cross. The law of dominance, that is incomplete dominance, as in the case of snapdragon, dog flower plant. In this case, when red flower is crossed with the white flower plant, in F1 generation, all the plants having the pink flower. Means in this plant, the law of dominance fails. Another example of incomplete dominance is Mirabilis jalapa, 4 o'clock plant. In that also, when the red flower plant is crossed with the white flower plant, in the F1 generation, in place of red flower plant, all the plants grew pink flower. So, the red color is not fully masks the white color. There is a blending of both the colors. That's why all the flowers in F1 generation are pink. So, this is incomplete dominance. Correns discovered incomplete dominance in Mirabilis jalapa. It is also called partial dominance, semi-dominance. The inheritance in which allele for a specific character is not completely dominant over other allele is called incomplete dominance. See the cross of red and white flower in the case of incomplete dominance. In F1 generation, pink flower plants are born. In F2, the ratio is 1:2:1. Both phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same.